Well, g'day and welcome back to Hibbo's Model Bench, episode 2, Mark 2 of the VW Beetle build. So let's get this introduction done. Only a very short video this time, and we'll get into it. Alright, so what we're doing for this one is I'm going to try, like I said, it's only going to be short. I'm going to try to get a bit of rust happening on this. I have some water, I have a toothbrush, I have a double chin. Yeah, it's got double chin. I've got a beer, I'm pointing at the screen, I don't know why, but I've got a beer over there. It's now 4:38, I'm looking at being in bed by about 7:30 tonight. 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 1:30, sorry, 12:30, 1:30. Should have about 6 hours sleep before I have to get up and go to work. So, without further ado, let's get on to it. Alright, so welcome back. Like I said, I've got some water, got a toothbrush. It might be a bit soft, because I do like a softer toothbrush. And I have the front. So let's just see how this goes. Just gonna see if I can scrub some of this off, see if I can get at least some sort of the darker paint through. Just got little bits here. Just gonna add some music to this while I do this, because this might take a little while. So I'll be back. Alright, so there we go. A little bit of rust coming through there. Now I'm a bit confused how I'm going to put the actual top coat on. So I'm just going to speed up and do a little bit more of this rust. And then apparently you can chip, but I'm not sure. I might just get I don't know, let's just have a look at something. We'll just do a little bit of a scratch. No, it's going right through, so I won't be doing that. Yeah, no, I won't be doing that. So anyway, I'll speed this all up. Alright, so there we go, there's the body. I think that looks pretty real actually. Let's give it a bit of a dry. With a pat down, don't want to rub. Let's have a look how it looks when it's dry. Actually looks really good, I'm really impressed. There we go, have a look at that. I reckon that looks pretty freaking good, in my honest opinion. You know, maybe a little bit more can come off there, but I don't know, we'll have a look at that. But the actual body itself looks bloody good. I might have to do a little bit more on the bonnet. Now for the first time, I am very impressed. I have to say thank you to Hobby Robbie. This is the one who showed me this on one of his videos. Like I said, the guy is an absolute gun. So if you haven't already, go have a look at him and then subscribe to him. But there we go. Now I've just got to do the boot, or the back part, and then we'll be right. So here we go, a bit more pace. There we go. So we have the back part. Have a look at that. That looks looks fucking great. Very impressed with that. Then we've got the bonnet. Or I'm just going to keep on calling it the bonnet. But again, put that together. That actually looks really good. In my opinion, it looks real. So that's that video done. When I get back in 2 weeks, I'll be doing another one, obviously, which will be actually painting this and starting the chipping, or I'll continue doing the engine. You might tell me what you want to see in the comments below. All right. So anyway, again, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe at least. Don't have to like. I mean, I'd like you to like because liking is a nice thing. But yeah, I'll see you in 2 weeks. I'll be doing a lot of shorts. Don't worry. So there'll be a lot of shorts coming from Onslow. So yeah, I'll see you during the shorts.